Meron po bang nagbago sa yung mga requirements naman for an establishment that wants to reopen? Ano yung mga minimum requirements for them in terms of their own infrastructure, in terms of their capability to help in contact tracing, for example? So halimbawa, may barberya ako, gusto kong buksan. Ano po yung mga minimum requirements para sa akin para makapagbukas?
So, ang mga requirements naman po ay simple lang, lalong-lalo na po yung ating dito sa mga medyo hindi po safe, ano. So meron po tayong minimum health protocol na pinapatupad para po sa mga establishments. Pero pwede naman po silang magbukas, ano. At ang ginagawa lang po ng mga ahensya ay post-audit na lang po. At kung hindi po sila tumutupad doon sa mga lituntunin natin or our guidelines, then we will let them correct it. At kung hindi pa rin po, tsaka lang po siguro natin sila i-report sa local health officer o sa LGU para po gawin nila kung ano yung nararapat. So meron po tayong requirement na kailangan po sila, meron silang mga health declaration, meron po silang, kung wala po silang stay, yung tinatawag nating stay safe app, pwede po yung gamitin yung mga app na ginagamit ng mga munisipyo para po talaga makatulong sa contact tracing.
Usec, the issue of ventilation has been front and center for quite some time, especially nung naglabas yung Lancet ng study that appears to show na maaring airborne yung COVID-19.
Yeah.
I'm wondering lang kung may naset pa tayo na uniform protocol on how ventilation should be in establishments. I mean, I understand na establishments are encouraged to have good ventilation, pero I'm not really sure kung meron ba talagang nag-i-inspection yan at may standards ba na nakaset and so on down the line. At kung may mag-i-inspection ba to begin with?
Tama po yan, sir. The Department of Labor and Employment issued a department order, particularly to upgrade their ventilation guidelines on workplaces. So meron pong ganyan, and it was a long discussion in coming up with some sort of updated policy on ventilation considering the cases of COVID. So and this is also the reason why we're not opening yet activities indoor. So negative place pa rin po yung ating mga indoor sports activities, for example, dahil lang na-allow lang po natin ngayon mga outdoor. So ito pong ventilation, malinaw po na dapat daw meron pong standards.
Pero di ba sir, yung restaurants, we're allowing them 10% indoor?
Yeah, for indoor.
Yes, sir.
For
example,
indoor, only 10%.
Yung mga ganun po, who inspects them and who makes sure that they're up to par in terms of ventilation? Kasi I have heard about the DOLE regulation, pero I would also wonder if DOLE has the right capacity to make a determination whether or not sapat yung ventilation ng isang lugar. Kasi di ba, I would think that as a health issue than a labor issue.
Yeah. Kaya nga po, even for example, if we have read the guidelines, etc., the second question is how are we going to measure compliance to this ventilation? So I read and I heard in a meeting that there is a simple gadget to measure that there is a exchange of air, incoming and outgoing air in an establishment. So and this is, I think, available. And through the help of our Department of Labor and Employment, other agencies involved in monitoring the establishments like the LGU and DTI and Department of Tourism, we're trying to learn from them.
Sir, linawin ko lang sir, yung barberia ba at saka yung mga salon na kasi nung una yung sasabi ng mga mayor sa papayagan na pero outdoors we're allowing a certain percentage na indoors, hindi pa rin.
30% po. Allowed na po sila 30%. Ang dahilan naman po kaya medyo mas maluwag compared po rin sa dine-in. When you're in a barber shop, you need to wear the mask. The patron and the service provider should be wearing the masks.
Parang mahirap ahitin ng patilya pag...
Ay, ano po, tatanggalin nyo lang po sandali.
Pero masks, yung mga barbero, yung masks lang po ang ano nila. Mask, face shield, meron pa po ba silang ibang requirement, gloves? I mean, how do we know if they're compliant?
Ang requirement po sa kanila ay meron yung mga nakikita po natin sa mga mall na mga meron pa rin po silang mga PPE gown at meron din po silang suot na mga mask and then face shield. And yun po yung talagang nasa listahan po natin. Pero ang mahalaga po sa lahat siguro para gabay na rin sa ating mga customer, huwag na ho sila magstay sa loob, huwag ho sila maghintay sa loob. The best way is to really by appointment para konti lang po yung laman ng establishment at a given point in time.